Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another Super Nintendo game. And this time, we're going to play the Family Feud. Let's see how it goes. Let's have a good game. And we'll be this family this time. Taking on the Hall family. Bullseye round. Name a game that kids have played for generations. Hide and seek. That's a grand. We'll go for $2,000. Name an excellent interviewer on TV. May she rest in peace, Barbara Walters, who we just recently lost.
Bullseye.
For $3 grand. From the comic strip Peanuts, name something the Red Baron wears. A scarf.
Bullseye.
For $4,000. Name something the kids carry in their bicycle baskets. Books.
Bullseye.
Name something a couple should agree on before they get married. Children. So we're going fast money. We're going to play for $20,000. The Halls will play for $5 grand. So 100 people surveyed. We have the top 7 answers on the board. Try to find the most popular answer to this question. Name a specific food that you get a craving for. Chocolate. We'll play. I'm gonna say ice cream. Alright, I'm gonna go with pizza. Okay, we'll go with watermelon. Alright, we'll go with nuts. Pickles. And potato chips. Next round, we're going to double the point values. And have the top 5 answers on the board to this question. Name something you'd find in a barn. you would find hay in the barn. We'll play. And I'll say a cow. How about a horse? How about corn? And a tractor. And now we're going to play the next round, which we're going to triple the point values. This round could determine who goes on fast money. Top 4 answers on the board for this question. Name something that hisses. That would be a snake. I'll play and I'll say a cat. How about a flat? And a radiator. Oh, I didn't get to finish. Again? Really? Did not let me put in the answer I wanted to. There we go. Now we're good. Name a job around the house most husbands refuse to help with. Dishes. Tell me how many years a pro football career lasts. 10. Name the age at which you think wives leave their husbands. 40. Name a color in outdoor lighting seen in gardens. Green. Name a kind of place with large green lawns. Golf course. See how I did.
Survey says number 1 answer. Survey says number 1 answer. Survey says number 1 answer. Survey says. Survey says number 1 answer.
Alright, how about laundry? 15. 35. White. And a place with large green lawns. How about a farm?
Survey says. Survey says.
And I have one.
Survey says. Survey says. Survey says.
It's off for another game, everybody.